So my name is Mark and I'm 24. Yeah, my drug of choice was weed. Of course, I know from my experience that the weed is also the drugs that opens another gate to other drugs. All the addicts started from weed. In the last days before I came to the treatment, it was very dark. I couldn't be able to sleep well, couldn't be able to manage my life. If you put the weed in the first place, before your job, before your partners, before your family, you don't really give them the attention they want, the energy they need, you know? You're not always there for them. Even if you're there, you're not really there, because you're always thinking about the drugs. When I came here, I felt embarrassed. I felt many days of guilt and shame, you know, because you're not realizing you're part of a community. There's more people that dealing with this disease, with the addiction. I feel like I'm not alone in this war. I feel I have people with me. And all the time, if I need something, if I need someone to talk with, I have all of them here. Just the recognition of you're not alone, that was enough for me. I felt way better. When I felt way better, it gave me more motivation to not use, to put more effort to my recovery. When I came here, I saw this beautiful gym, and I saw this coaches, which we have a great relationships with them. Every day we training twice a day. They make our food here, and I feel very comfortable. It's also a very beautiful country. So the people are always smiling. They treating me well. They respect us, and it's a great place to do your recovery. We have groups that we learning about the addiction, which is very interesting to see it from different perspective and not just only drugs. What's happening in our brain when we're using. And also we have the process groups that we challenging each other, which are very like those groups. And when I see people that struggling with some sort of things and I challenge them and they challenge me, I feel this is the real recovery. I feel like when we helping each other, that's beautiful, you know, that's beautiful. I'm going home soon, yeah. Here it's very good, it's very relaxing, but the real test is in the outside world, in the real world. I remember my bad days, and I remember like how good I am at giving excuses, because excuses are addiction, and we don't let people stay from behind us. You know, we carry them no matter what.